Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, and I got my Mooncat order finally! Only took emailing Mooncat and checking USPS tracking every single day since the 10th of May to finally get it in. So let's unbox this together because it's my first ever purchase with Mooncat, and I'm so excited. So on May 10th of this year, they had a 20% off sale that ran through May 19th, and I thought, okay, now's the time for me to jump on this Mooncat craze, and here is my purchase. So let's take a look, shall we? Oh, beautiful. So one of the polishes I had ordered is a magnetic polish. So came with a magnetic little wand. Looks like it has two different ends to it. That's really cool. And I kept seeing Mooncat like advertised on Facebook and Instagram so many times that I was like so curious. And there was one specific polish that they advertised that I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get that. I really want it. And it was a thermal polish, meaning that it changes color when it's hot or cold, so based on temperature. And this is it right here. Queen of the Dead. So if you have watched my videos on my channel, you have probably heard me speak of it, call it by the wrong name a few times, but this is the polish that I was really looking forward to receiving. And it's this vampy burgundy wine color when it is cold, and then when it's warm it turns a like bright raspberry color. And so I will do another video after unboxing all this of me trying them on. I still have my mishmashed nail polish here from the Electric Abyss, so not gonna take that off just yet. But that is Queen of the Dead. This one is Midnight Rider, which is supposed to be a really awesome blue. Let's see here, hold on. Oh, purplish blue, in fact. And again, I'll try these on in another video. Here we're just unboxing, but look at that little tiny sparkles. I love it. And then we've got Fool's Gold. So I got an email from Mooncat going, so what'd you think of the polish? And I hadn't received my order yet, and I was just like, that sparked me to be like, okay, you know what? I am going to write them an email because it's ridiculous to have it ship out on the 13th, and then I hadn't gotten it for like, what was that? 1, 2, almost 3 weeks. So this is Fool's Gold. It is a topper, and it's a matte topper. So that's going to be kind of fun to play around with. And so yeah, definitely will try them all out and write reviews on them, because I guess you also get points for writing reviews. I joined a Facebook group for Mooncat just to see other people's nail fees and their opinions on different polishes, because I guess Mooncat has their 20% off sales twice a year. And the second time it's going to be during Thanksgiving, Black Friday time. So I'm going to have to save up my budget for that time for sure. This one's Drown My Demons. So Drown My Demons is a magnetic polish that is this green and then a blue as well. Oh, that emerald looking green is amazing. So that's going to be fun. That goes with that. And then last but not least, Velociraptor. Oh, this one I just kept seeing images of, and I really, really like it. I probably won't wear it matte very often. I probably will make it a glossy one, but it dries as a matte finish. But look at that teal color, and then the sparkles, the red and the purple. Like, oh, I can't wait to use these. So I'll probably have another mismatched hand using all 5 polishes on each hand, just to show that off in the next video. But I was so excited, got this in the mail during my lunch break, and I had to just jump on and show you all this so that you can see I finally got my Mooncat order. All that complaining, and I finally got it. Alright, I'll see you all next time. Peace.